3D printing is supposed to turn our wildest imagination into reality. However, most commercial 3D printers are hard to control, bulky, and lack accuracy, turning your fabulous ideas into the trash. But if you want an industrial-grade printer, it costs you a fortune until now. Meet Mooz, the only transformable, modular 3D printer with high industrial-grade stability at an affordable price, giving you a more precise 3D printing experience than ever. The Mooz-3 form is designed for efficient and color-mixing printing. The Mooz-2 form, meanwhile, is the solution for stability and unparalleled precision. And the Mooz-1 form allows you to create simple prints in an effortless way. Mooz features a design featuring the aluminum alloy CNC machine body that not only looks sharp but also delivers more reliability and stability. The demanding industrial-grade linear guideway, empowered by extremely accurate stepper motor, together with the high-precision linear bearing, making every movement of printer to be more precise. Mooz is the first consumer-grade 3D printer consisting industrial-grade parts. It offers a more accurate and stable printing experience that you have been longing for. Simply connect your U-disc or SD card to the Mooz. Tap the control panel and printing begins. Mooz is super easy to use. Mooz can also handle CNC carving easily, with adjustable depth of between 0 and 5 millimeters. It can deliver more detailed curve. Choose a laser engraving head. Mooz is just as good as a typical ink printer, allowing you to engrave fine print on anything. Mooz is the best printer for makers and creators. Its high precision unleashes the restriction of other printers, giving you more choice and possibilities. Great things await you and your imagination.